me and that go. I don't trust the soul. I sit back and observe niggas, I learned that from bro. These shorties out here gon' blow. These police out here, I know. It's game way geek, hop that fence, fuck the jakes, get low. Love the hustle, my niggas bout that dirty duffel. They don't love you, top it up, beat them out. Trace that far south, only lost a couple. And shot right, it's a struggle, gotta grow a muscle. I rep that W on Wentworth, study W. Till BAM the gratitudes, get my jack out the dudes. Niggas back as Martin Luther, getting traffic, get them scooped up. Them boys on S, I ain't talking poop butts. Them boys gon' get blessed if they come and scoop us. Tell them I'm on Trey set like an X-Pill. Let a nigga from the wild hundreds get the next deal. Death gotta come, motherfuckers getting killed. And they young like me, so who don't like me? Got go mentality, need dope, damn gotta eat slow. Ain't gotta cheat, so yeah, shit is deep, blow. Tearing down the streets clean, yeah, shit is neat, mean. Mug in his beef, sling, slugs at his cheek. I gotta survive, and they wonder why I shot none with them little boys. Got 100 lives, the city of homicides and them suicides. Rest in peace, my rappy trappy sent the south to them skies. Bakes ain't ducking smoke, niggas necks get new ties. Shop still open, got some thick chicks slurping. Them bitches still searching, looking for that special person. By Felicia, we working. Keisha eating them with that twerking. Feasting, let them Cook County jail bars crack. What the fuck they doing? That motherfucker pack, free my guys. They making cases up for the black. So we in them tunnels in Chirac. This jungle, big bundles, that sack. Snakes fucking my face. I ain't with that bullshit, you can die today. If I die trying to get rich, put a smile on y'all face. These hundreds of gold, man, but it ain't enough cake. I'm moving, exercising, but I'm gaining weight. They losing, my niggas rising. Motherfuckers behaving, abusing these damn beats. I know they waiting, using more to comeback cheeks. Send them to Satan. Yo, Trace that official. It's a real life, niggas dying. I'ma be real. Chirac.